Okay, so hello guys, welcome to the channel. This is Ria here, and today we are going to explore SAP Analytics Cloud interface. So I'm using the latest version, as you can see here. It's May 2025, and this is the latest updated version of SAP Analytics Cloud. So now let's one by one see. Let's explore. So, what is SAP Analytics Cloud? I'll tell you in short term. So, it's a cloud based tool from SAP that helps you analyze data, create reports, and make business decisions. So, you can also do planning, enterprise level planning in SAC. So, it's like a smart dashboard. In SAC, we call dashboards as stories. So generally you are going to create stories mostly in SAC at a beginner level, and also if your company has any requirements for planning, then you may have also have to plan using SAC. So let's see the interface. So as you are a beginner, so you will have to first explore all the tools and features that SAC has provided. So as you can see here in the top, so this is the home. You are in the home. This is your uh, ID, okay, which SAP gives you. So SAC, for your information, SAC is not free. It's not an open source software. You have to pay in order to use it regularly, okay, on a permanent basis. So this account that I've logged in is through a trial account. So SAP gives you a free 30-day trial account to just use to try it. Okay, and if you are a student, if you want to do some projects, if you want to get hands-on experience using SAC, so for that SAP has given you 30-day trial account in which you can use it and practice on it. So if you guys also want a video on how to create a trial account, let me know. I'll create a separate video for that. Okay, so moving on. So here in the top bar you have search. If you want to search anything, you can search here. Then you have just ask feature. So if you have any doubt related to the tools or features of SAC or anything, you can ask over here. It uses AI, okay, to answer your questions. Next is notification. So in notifications you will see all the notifications that you get. So maybe in future if somebody has shared their story with you, then you will get notified over here that somebody has shared their story with you, and you can open it and do you can modify it or you can just view it. We'll come to that in our next videos where I'll teach you how to share stories and how to give the access to the stories. Next comes collab. If you want to collab with anyone, if you want to discuss with your colleagues or anybody in SAC, you can use this discussion feature. And this is profile, from where you are going to uh, modify your account. If you want to do any changes to your account in SAC, you can go over here. Just ignore this messages. You have to exit just cause. Okay, now coming to this canvas here, this page. So these are some advanced features. This catalog I'll cover in some other video. So for now let's see favorite. So if you have marked anything favorite, it will be visible over here. And if anybody has shared with you something and you have marked it as favorite, then all the shared files will be available here. Now this part over here in the left side, this is the main part. All the main features of SAC will be here. You can expand this, see, home, files. So in this feature, in this option, you will find all types of files that you have. Okay, so see, owned by me. So these are all the files that I own, okay, that I am going to use in my stories or in my planning. So you will find all your created files here. So here you will also see type of file. So there are many type of files in SAC. So this is a model. We will learn how to create models in some other video. Okay, how to create story, how to create a data set, everything, dimensions, measures. We will just clear, go through it in some other video, which is made only for the modeling part. So today I'm just showing you the interface, so let's not worry about that. So as I said, here you'll find all the files. Here you will find all the files that other people have shared with you. It will take some time to load, because this is a cloud. You are working on cloud, so sometimes if there's a delay in the server, you may face some latency. And favorites, as I said, anything you have marked favorite you will see here, and if you have deleted any files you can see it over here. Now coming to stories, I'll expand it and show you. Now from here our main features will start. We have stories. So this is what we call it as dashboard. So from here you can create all the dashboards you want. Okay, all that you can insert charts, you can insert maps, you can do so many things using stories. So in a separate video I'll show you how to create a nice professional story design, okay, a dashboard. So let me know in the comments. And here you can see there are four options: responsive, canvas, grid, and smart discovery. So smart discovery is an AI assist feature. SAC also has some AI features which you can use to automate, automate some of your tasks or get automate insights. Now here you can see you also have templates. So if you don't want to again and again insert charts and uh, create the layout, the same layout again and again, you just use a template, already created template. So that's what about stories. This is we will not use this feature that much for now. So let's move on to data analyzer. So for data analyzer, we mostly use live models. So live models, there are two types of models, live and acquired. So I'll cover in some other video what are types of, in the data modeling part I'll cover everything, what is live, what types of models, and how we are going to use them. So using data analyzer you can only use live models. You cannot use acquired models for data analyzer. Coming to digital boardroom, if you want to present your data, okay, you can use this feature. We have two options, agenda and dashboard. So if you want a traditional way of presenting stories, you can go for agenda mode. If you want the advanced mode, then you can go for dashboard. And we have data sets. So if you want to import a data set, you can just do it from here. Then comes modeler. So this is main thing in SAC. We usually don't use data sets for creating stories and dashboards. We mostly use models to link it with our stories and dashboards. We use data from models. So how to create a model, how to create dimensions, I'll be covering in some other video. Coming to data actions. So data actions are very crucial in SAC. They help you to automate tasks. Okay, if there is a task that have to be done several times, then it's a tedious task, right? You will do it again and again. It will be time wasting. So if you want to automate some tasks, you can use data actions for that. Allocations are also there. So with data actions, you can also perform allocations. These are advanced feature of SAC. As you are a beginner, so I'm not going to cover in detail all this advanced feature. Once you get hands-on experience and knowledge on the basics and beginner level of features of SAC, we'll try to cover all the advanced features. Now coming to predictive scenario. So here you can predict scenarios like what will be the business outcomes in future. If this input will be there, then what will be the outcome. So all that scenarios, brainstorming and all that thing you can do with predictive scenario. This is also advanced feature, mostly used for planning. Then we have multi-action. So multi-action is used mostly for running a lot of data actions together. If there are 10 data actions and you have to automate all these data actions all at once, then you can use a multi-action for that. Then we have calendar. This is also very important feature in SAC. If you want to you know you know if you want to do an event, or if you want to give a task, if you want to set a task or set an event to some other person, okay, if your boss wants you to do a specific task, then he can use this calendar feature. He can assign a task for you, so you can see whatever task boss has assigned you in this notification. So that's what calendar is used for. Then we have security, connections, and systems. So these three mostly the administrator looks. Okay, so these three things are handled by the administrator. So that's it, guys. This is just a small exploration to the SAC. So SAC is not that complicated for at a beginner level. So if you know how to create stories, if you know how to create models, then you have learned 30% of SAC. So for this video, that's it. So in the next video, I am going to show you how to create models and how to create dimensions in it and how to link the models to a story. So till then, see ya, take care, happy learning.